In this video, we will present a solution to the real-time diffuse global illumination based on light field probes, which also supports dynamic light sources. The project is based on a customized render pipeline in Unity. We've added passes to render shadow maps and update diffuse light probes, which is used later in the forward lighting stage. We start from placing probes uniformly in the scene during offline stage to capture high-res information such as albedo, sky visibility, normal, and radial distance. We downsample to low-resolution octahedral maps, and we store both average radial depths and average squared radial depths, which are used in the visibility test later. During runtime, we update probe radiance using a simplified Lambert diffuse lighting. We use sky visibility to compute how much skybox we can see. After that, we perform a cosine-weighted Monte Carlo hemisphere sampling to pre-filter the irradiance, and we need to do a 1-pixel padding as the octahedral map will be bilinear sampled later. And we finally sample the weighted irradiance result from the 8 nearest probes. We first use a trilinear and normal weighting, but this will introduce serious light leaking issue near walls as we interpolate between indoor and outdoor probes. To solve this, we perform a visibility test. If the position between the sample point and the probe is smaller than the radial depth on that direction, we know the probe is visible to the sample point. Otherwise, we utilize Chebyshev's inequality to determine the possibility that the probe is invisible. We can reconstruct the variance given mean distance and the mean squared distance. We cubic the Chebyshev's weight to increase contrast, and we add a small bias to avoid self-occlusion. We can see with visibility test, the light leaking around the corners are largely fixed, but light leaking is still a problem if we don't compute shadow for probe radiance. To fix this, we always sample the highest level of the cascaded shadow map to ensure largest shadow coverage. Moreover, we sample the probes from previous frame to achieve multi-bounce. This is no GI, with GI only from skybox, our GI but no indirect shadowing, our GI with only one bounce, and our GI with multi-bounces. This is visibility test off, visibility test on, and multi-bounce. And here's a walkthrough in the classic Sponza scene. Thanks for watching.